Hi, scholars. So today we're going to start with our question of the day with math fluency. So in my Blackboard right here, I have a picture. And the question that goes with this picture is Jasmine has 10 sunflowers in her garden. She picked 4 and gave them away. How many are left? So we can see that the ones that she picked have a green circle around them. And we can see that if we counted all the sunflowers, that there would be 10. So we're going to write a subtraction sentence that 10 sunflowers, 4 of them were picked. How many were left? So let's write a subtraction sentence starting with 10, taking away 4, and then how many are left? Now, we can do more than just a subtraction sentence, can't we? We can use a 10 frame. We could use a number bond. We could use tally marks. There's lots of other ways, too, that you could show me that 10 take away 4 equals how much, scholars? Okay, so I would like for you to pause the video and show me all the ways that you can solve 10 minus 4 on your whiteboard, okay? All right, great job, scholars. So our lesson today actually is very similar to the one we did yesterday. It's related because we're getting ready for first grade. So our lesson is number 14.7, and it's all about flat surfaces of solid figures. Our academic words, our scholarly words, are the same shape and sides, and that is because the shape that we're talking about is still a solid figure. It's not a flat shape. It is a solid shape that has substance to it, just like our cylinder, just like our cube, our cones, our spheres. Okay, so when we look at a shape kind of like a cube, like this purple one I have here, you can see that it has lots of sides, flat surfaces that are the sides of the cube, 6 of them actually, and each one of those sides or surfaces is a square, a flat square. And when you put them all together, it makes a cube. Okay, same with the cylinder. The flat surfaces are on the top and the bottom, and those are circles in this case. You can see kind of a little bit when you look that there's a circle at the top and a circle at the bottom, and those are the flat surfaces of our solid figures. So, scholars, in your book, in your black workbook for lesson 14.7, you're going to match the flat surface with the solid figure. So when you see a square, you know, oh, it can go with the cube, that kind of a thing. So you're going to say, this shape can go with this flat surface. Okay. And then just as a little extra little hunt for you to do, treasure hunt, I want you to look on your workbook page and count how many cones you can find on the page. Now, a cone is kind of like what we talked about yesterday with Mrs. Chin during our scavenger hunt. A cone like an ice cream cone or orange cone that you might find in a parking lot. Or maybe just a cone that's just a regular solid figure. I would like for you to count how many cones you can find on the page and write that number at the top. Okay, now let's check with Rainbow Fish to see what he can teach us about flat surfaces on solid figures.
Look at the picture. What solid figures do you see?
I see 3 of them.
There is a cylinder, a cone, and a cube. Look at the picture. What part of the solid is being traced? The flat side is being traced. What does the traced shape look like? It has straight edges. It is a square.
So we can see the flat side of the cube is a square.
Can you name an object that has the same flat side? A block has the same flat side.
A block is a cube.
Look at the picture. What part of the solid is being traced? The flat side is being traced. What does the traced shape look like? It is a circle. Can you name an object that has the same flat side? A can has the same flat side.
A can is a cylinder.
Look at the picture. What part of the solid is being traced? The flat side is being traced. What does the traced shape look like?
That's another circle.
It is a circle.
But there's
Now
only
you
one
know about the
circle
flat
on a cone.
surfaces of
The other
solid
side is
figures.
pointy. Great job, scholars. So remember, match the flat surfaces with the solid figures, count how many cones you can find on the page, and share it on Seesaw. All right, great job, and I can't wait to see your good work.